Thank you for watching our video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. If you or your children want to learn English at our center in Kwai, Chung, Hong Kong, you're welcome to come any afternoon to meet us. Amazing English, a new word you can use right now. Buzz. Buzz is a fun and useful word. One meaning is the sound that bees make when they fly around. But the meaning we are going to talk about today is just a little different. When we say buzz, we mean that people are all talking about something excitedly. We use this word because we sound like a bunch of bees buzzing around talking about the same thing. It is often used to talk about something new, interesting, exciting, or important. It can be a noun or a verb. Here are some examples. Have you heard the buzz about Tammy? Everyone is saying she's got a very handsome new boyfriend. Everyone has been buzzing about the new French restaurant in Central. They say the food is good, but the service is terrible. One synonym for buzz is gossip. While buzz can mean talking about many different topics, gossip usually means talking about things that are none of our business and that are usually not accurate. So if you are buzzing about your friend about how your friend said that Tammy's new boyfriend is fat, short, and rude, that's probably gossip. If you are buzzing about how polite and handsome Tammy's boyfriend was when you met him, that's a better use of the word buzz. Another word that can be used in the same way as buzz is chatter. This means a lot of talk about something. It is usually used like the word gossip, and usually it is not high-quality information. Example: there has been a lot of chatter about the new CEO. They say he might fire a lot of people and take away our benefits. The word buzz sounds fun, and you can probably think of a number of ways to use it right now. Write your own sentence in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Dragonfly Education Center. Our address is